Hello friends, welcome to Dezinlife. Friends, we are completed almost 3 months of the lockdown, that is March, April, May, say half of the March can say, and now we are moving to unlocking the country. So like there were 3 months of the lockdown period, there was a lockdown 1, 2, 3, 4, now there will be unlocking phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 like this. So this is the time, what was the situation before lockdown, we are not likely to see post lockdown. So we need to understand what is the different environment we are going to see in the market now. And secondly, either we look at it as a problem area or we took it as a correction area or correction time. So we'll be talking two things. One is in the first phase, we'll be talking about what difference we are going to see in the market immediately now, say next 3 months, and how we should treat as a correction time. So first, let's look at what different environment we'll be able to see. The first thing, the number of doctors call or number of chemists call are going to be less. Whatever we used to cover, say 10 doctor, 5 chemists kind of things will not be there. Even when they are given the call, the time given will be the less. And many hospital, even entry of the medical rep also may not be allowed. So this is the reality that is going to happen. So we should accept it. The second change we are going to see, some doctors, because they have more fear in their mind about corona, they may start practicing late, which means in the month of June, every doctor will not start practicing, or even they start practicing also, they will start practicing for comparatively lesser time. If somebody was sitting for 8 hours or 10 hours, he may be sitting now 5 hours or 6 hours. So that is again change we are going to see. Number 3 is connected to first two only. See, there is no single day when things will get normalized. It is going to happen over a period of time. So we need to see week by week or month by month. So what was situation in May, June will be better, July will be better than June, and August will be better than July. That is how things are going to progress. Or same way week by week also. So we need to keep our persistence is required to see the improved or changed situation down the line 3-4 months. The another change we are going to see this year, the number of patients will not reach to a kind of seasonal peak. As industry, we used to see the seasonal peak in the month of, say, June, July, August, September, but I don't think this year there is going to be any seasonal peak. Change number 5. During this period, the top brand or brand leader sale, they will keep on further dominating, they will increase their market share, and smaller brands will reduce their market share because they have lost significantly in last 3 months. They have to rebuild themselves again. So smaller companies or smaller brand are further going to penalize even after lockdown also next 3-4 months. Another change we are going to see that nutraceuticals or overall you can say co-prescriptions are going to be reduced because there has been financial crisis and doctors are going to be more focused on the main therapy. Although required multivitamin or immunity booster kind of prescription will increase, but otherwise co-prescription per se, they are going to reduce as compared to earlier situation. And number 7, the inventory at chemist level as well as stockist level has increased. Because last couple of months, particularly in second half of the April and in the month of May, the rush at chemist has reduced. So because this inventory piled up, so first we need to reduce this inventory, we need to liquidate that stock, and secondly because of this fear of last 3 months, overall inventory, chemists as well as stockists are going to reduce because they will tend to invest less because offtake has become the less. Now, looking all those things as an opportunity, these are some change we are going to see. But with this corona crisis, there are some opportunities also. They are saying that when there are dark clouds and you don't have the umbrella, so you have two options. What he says in Hindi, या तो भीग जाओ या उसमें बारिश में नहा लो. Same way, suppose somebody throw you in the swimming pool. Again you have two options, या तो भीग जाओ या फिर नहा लो. So now the corona crisis has come. We can't refuse it. What situation is there for last almost 3 months and what we are going to face at least next 3-4 months. So there is some correction time. So I'll be talking around 5 correction things which we should look at correcting in now. The point number 1, or you can say suggestion number 1. Now onward, instead of thinking how much time we can take in the doctor's chamber, we need to think how effective we can be in the available time. So that one change in the mindset of the medical rep or as a company need to come now. Change number 2, or you can say suggestion number 2. Instead of trying to meet customer too many times, we used to meet customer twice in a month, thrice in a month, some company even 4 times a month. Instead of meeting customer too many times, let us try to make again call more effective. So that you are meeting whether once or twice, but how effective your call can be. Suggestion number 3. Chemist, pharmacy or even availability part has to give in more weightage now on overall marketing mix. The way we used to give as a companies, which was less, and we have seen the difference or impact of that in this corona crisis. So we need to change our market mix or promotion mix so that we give them more weightage to them. And my suggestion number 4, the marketing strategies need to be customized, need to be differential. Because instead of me too, let us work on more on brand building, let us work more on the differentials, because that is going to work here onward. And my last suggestion, friend, today, your strengths are not in the number of your army, how big army you have, but your strength lies in the how better skilled your army is or how better armament they have. Army number of India and China is much bigger than America or France or Russia, but they have probably better armament, that's why they are more powerful countries. So let us try to make more powerful army rather than bigger in the number, and that is going to again make a difference. So friends, these are some food for thought for the next 3 months to think over or the correction point of view. Hope this will be useful to you. Thank you very much for watching this, friend. Thank you.